two kalpanas are same. Every kalpana has unique utility and action. In this series, we are going to discuss about different kalpanas. Understand guna and karma, rule out contraindication, understand their sthana of action. It is one among the important Gugulu kalpanas which is popularly used in thyroid disorders. Now, let's understand it in every aspect. Getting into their ingredients, it consists of amalaki, haritaki, bibhitaki, pippali, maricha, shunti, tvak, ela, tamalapatra, kanchanara gugulu and varuna. It can easily be remembered as Trifala, Trikatu, Trijata, Kanchanara varuna and gugulu. It is Kashaya, Tikta and Katu in rasa, possessing Laghu, Ruksha, Sukshma Guna and Ushnavirya. It performs Lekhana, Chedana, Deepana and Pachana Karma at Dhatvagni level. It is Tridoshahara, being specific as Kafara. Kanchanara should only be used in thyroid disorders? No, that's a myth because of its resemblance with thyroid gland and attributing it as Prabhava. It is extensively used and there is no such limitation. Kanchanara Gugulu is indicated in Mamsa Medhogata Vyadhis such as corn, warts, hypothyroidism, fibroids, etc. And also when there is physical obstruction by kapha for free flow of vata such as sinusitis, nasal polyp, tonsillitis, etc. Can the same Kanchanara Gugulu act in all condition? Yes. Same Kanchanara Gugulu acts in all condition with suitable Anupana selected, acting on particular sthana. In hypothyroidism, it can be given with Varunadi Kashaya. If associated with anemia, Punarnava Mandura can be added to the prescription. In hypothyroidism associated with PCOS, Kanchanara Gugulu with Ashtavarga Kashaya, Chandraprabhavati and Arogyavarthini Vati gives a very good result as Chandraprabhavati works on Apanasthana. In hypothyroidism associated with psychic symptoms, it can be given along with Hamsapadadi Kashaya. In sinusitis, it can be given along with Dashamula Kashaya. Adding Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa makes it an ideal prescription. In nasal polyp, it should be given with Vyagradi Kashaya. In PCOS, Kanchanara Gugulu with Kumari Asava and Chandraprabhavati or Kuberakshavati should be given. In warts and corn, Kanchanara Gugulu with Kadiradi Kashaya should be used. As it is Ruksha, Tikta, Katu Kashaya and Ushnavirya, it should not be used in Dhatukshaya Janya Avasthas. It should be cautiously used in Pitta Prakriti person. Recap: Kanchanara Gugulu is Ushna Ruksha in nature. It is used in Mamsa and Medhogata Vyadhis with suitable Anupana.